Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gospels here. Welcome to today's YouTube video. In today's YouTube video, guys, I will be talking about this new website called freecash.com. Basically, guys, what you guys do on this website is you guys can win free cash, kind of like it says in the name. And basically, I'm going to tell you guys if this is a real website or this is a fake website. So, since I don't have a referral code, let's go and let's spin our wheel. So, basically, on this wheel, guys, I think you get it daily or you get it per 1,000 coins you earn. You get 3 free ones. So, let's spin our wheel and 5 cents. And let's see, it's simple as that. And I literally won 5 cents and I can cash that out literally right now if I wanted to. So on these daily wheels, you can win anything up to 5 cents to $250. You can win 25 cents or $2.50 or $250. Those are your options. Alright, so let's get started on this website and let's go to let's pick the reward page so you guys can understand what's going on. Alright, so basically you get to spin every single time and you get 5 cents to $250. I think you get it daily or you get it per 1,000 points you earn, you get 3 free ones. So that's kind of daily basically if you do your challenges and all that sort of stuff. Or you do your referrals and all that sort of stuff. Or, sorry, not your referrals, but your surveys and all that sort of stuff. But you have your referral code right here that I can go copy the link and I can send you guys to it and you can earn 5% of what they earn. So if you guys have friends, parents, family, and you get that referral code, put that in it, and they earn, let's say they earn $100, you can get $5 off that. Anyways, guys, let's go to the 7-day streak rewards. So as you can see, if you're on for multiple days, you can win any of those type of rewards, and you guys can actually go home with a decent amount of money at the end if you win on day 7 and you get the 50,000 coins, or I think that's 50,000 coins. And there's a daily bonus ladder over here, which again, it goes up by the second, and you can follow them on Twitter, download their app for the free coins. So yeah, and you have a daily bonus ladder over here which keeps going up every single day you go on, which gives you more of a chance to get more coins, and you can get double or claim your first daily reward by just literally going on here. And it is really, really cool, and I think the reward system is actually really, really built in a good way. But anyways, guys, as we go on to the leaderboard over here, we have your 500 daily. So basically the most accumulated points daily. So if you claim 226,000 points, you'd be number 1 and you would go home with your $500 at the end if you remain at number 1. I think it's $350 for number 2 and $175 for number 3, and it keeps going down all the way to like whatever place there are. So yeah, you can literally get rewards if you come like 17th, 5th, 9th, all that sort of stuff. But anyways, guys, that's it for the 500 daily rewards. I definitely do think the system they set up is pretty cool, especially since, well, it's pretty straightforward and it's real time, so I do definitely think that's cool. Let's go to the 2,500 monthly. Basically the same thing, except this contest is held for the whole month, and you win $250 a month if you win this draw. And I think this is probably one of the coolest rewards, and definitely something that I think everyone should look into. And before we go to the earn section, let's hop right into the cash out. So you can cash out with PayPal, Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, or Dogecoin. All of the basically 5 most trusted things that you could possibly cash out with. Really trusted, and I definitely don't think these people are trying to do anything with you. And then you go to the withdrawal gift cards. If you guys are a little too uncomfortable sending that for some reason, you guys have Amazon, Visa, Google Play, Apple, Netflix, all that sort of stuff, up to literally PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, and Blizzard. So this literally has everything for cash out. And if you guys don't even want to gift cards since you're too uncomfortable with sending your email or something like that, you guys can 100% go and cash out skins as well. So don't worry, these things literally have anything to your name. You can do anything you want with it, so don't you guys worry. And also I would like to mention their 24/7 chat option, which gives you the opportunity to speak to an employee literally 24/7, or you guys can go to their Discord and they will definitely help you out there, because don't worry, these people don't like you getting scammed, and this is why they created that website, and I 100% support that, because honestly, there's way too many people that do end up getting scammed, and it's not fair at all to these people. Alright guys, so now enough with this, let's get on to the earn section, which I know everyone's been waiting for. Let's get on to the earn section so you guys can make some money. So you go to the earn section over here to the featured offers, and these are countless options. They even show you how to do it, as you can see in the top. But these countless options on how you guys can make money. You guys have almost, I don't know how many surveys there are, but it looks like over 10 surveys that you can do, and you have one survey at the end that is absolutely unlimited. So you can just sit there, do that survey, and get 80 cents every single time. So that survey is just absolutely unlimited. And you have games like My Gym, Raid Shadow Legends, King's Throne, so all trusted games, all the way up to games like Leo Vegas, Kobe plus Reed, which is a pretty trusted thing, Gemini, all that sort of stuff, which I definitely do think is cool, and I definitely do think should deserve, should be up there. And so that's what you guys can do. That's how you guys can win some stuff, but not win some stuff, but gain some points so you can cash it out later to obviously make your time here worth the while, since that's what you're trying to do here. You're trying to make some money on social media or on the internet. And you have surveys here for like CPX research. You can earn coins, and you can get surveys for each one completed. So I do think that is pretty cool, and I definitely do think that is a sick option. And so after moving on to these offers, you guys can win. You guys can get money by doing this. So literally every single time you fill out something, you guys can get a certain amount of coins. And then once you get those coins, you can go and you can cash them out right away. Again, if you literally only have 5 cents, you can also cash it out. They cash it out for as simple as 5 cents. So don't you guys worry. They will have enough, and you guys are absolutely fine. You guys can literally cash out as little as 1 cent. Literally 1 cent, and you can go home with it. So that's how you know this website's absolutely real and not joking. So right when you get your free spin, when you sign up, make sure to use my code as well. That'd be very appreciated. If you guys can go use that code and then win something off it, that'd be very appreciated, and I'd be so hyped up when you guys can win $250. But anyways, guys, in the Discord, when you guys are on free cash, make sure you guys send me some pictures or send me some photos of you guys actually getting the dub. That's what I want to see. I want to see you guys making some money. I want to see you guys doing this on this app. So send me your first $10, or send me your first big earnings on this app, because I want to see what you guys got, and I want to see if you guys can get better than me. I'm obviously going to start now for today, because I know this is real since I've done it. So yeah, I know this is real since I've done it, so I'm obviously going to start mine for today. But let me know what's up with you guys, and let me know how it's going, and send me your progress. Anyways though, guys, again, it's a free website, so don't worry. You guys don't need to pay to get in or anything like that, or anything huge and all that sort of stuff. But let's head to the free cash thing before we end this video. So as you can see, they almost cashed out 50 grand yesterday, 49,982. They almost cashed out 50 grand. That's just for the users yesterday. Let's go into their stats here. It's 17 minutes for an average cash out, $9.20 earned by users yesterday, and over $7.1 million has been given out or earned on free cash. And as you can see here, why is free cash the #1 place to make money? All that sort of stuff. But I know you guys are like, let's go to something that's actually a verified source, even though they have their own FAQ, which they give you for free. Let's go into something like Trustpilot. They have over 13,000 reviews with a 4.6 star rating, which is absolutely insane. I don't know if that's 4.6, but it's definitely 4 something. So don't get me wrong on that star little thing right there. But 4+ stars on this with over 13,000 reviews, which I definitely think is sick. Congratulations to this website. Anyways, I'm leaving my stamp on it. This is absolutely approved. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys inside of the next video. Peace.